All right, everybody, here's your Core Bytes 106. So the first one, you're trying to figure out the missing number. So 12 times something gives you 120. And so you know if it has a 0, if you just do 12 times 1 is 12, add the 0, that would give you the 120. 12 10 times. So 12 times 10 is 120. For the next one, you're going to have to either find the sum or the difference. So that means you're going to add for the sum or subtract for the difference. So for the first one, 9 and 8, that would give you 17 plus 6, that would give you 23. Regroup. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Add your 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Regroup. 2 plus 2 is 4. Hold on. That goes right here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's a 1. That'd be 3. So that one's 3,313. For the middle one, you're subtracting. So we can't take 8 from 9, or we can't take 9 from 8. So we're going to have to regroup. Let's go all the way across. That becomes a 1. That becomes a 14, becomes a 13. That becomes a 17, becomes a 16. That becomes an 18. So 18 minus 9 would give you 9 because 9 plus 9 is 18. 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4. So, I see what happened, guys. Hold on. Let me redo that one because I shouldn't have taken that because then that changes the whole problem. So, we are going to redo this one. So, let's come on over here on the side. So, let's do 2,478 subtract 749. So, let's do bit by bit instead of taking it all at the same time. So, let's start here. So, that'll become a 6. That'll become an 18. So, we still have 9. 6 minus 4 gives you the 2. But then you come here and realize, oh, we can't take 7 from 4. So, then you regroup. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus nothing is 1. So then you have 1,729. So that's supposed to be what that was. Now let's see if we can do the one for C. Let me change colors. All right, so you can take 6 from 8. So that would be 2. You cannot take anything. You can't take 8 from 7, so we're going to have to regroup. So 17 minus 8 would give you 9. 3 minus nothing is 3. 2 minus nothing is 2. So 2,392. That's how you do that one. For the next one, we're going to simplify the fraction. So if you know your factors, you know you can divide both of them by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. And then for the measurement for number 4, you've got to know your pints and your cups. Okay, so if we have 3 pints and 1 cup, okay, basically there are 2 cups in every pint. So if you've got 3 pints, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 cup would give you 7 cups. Okay, and then for the last one, what type of angle is shown in the picture right here with the window? It would be a right angle because it would be 90 degrees because it's right there at a right angle. Okay, check yours, guys.